What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to change the battery in a Hyundai key. This smart key is going to be for vehicles that have a push button start ignition. If you have a regular turnstile ignition with a flip key, you're going to have a different fob, and the procedure to change that battery will be different, and that'll be included in a different video. But for this video, we're going to be looking at vehicles that have a push button start ignition. And this smart key is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and we'll also need a flathead screwdriver. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the smart key. That's done by pressing this button on the back, and the key will slide out like that, and we can just set that key to the side. Now if we take a look at the bottom, we see there's kind of these two areas. This slot's where that key just slid out of, that emergency key. And then on the other side, we see this little notch right here. What we're gonna do is stick our screwdriver in that notch and then just twist like this, like we're opening a lock. So we're gonna stick it straight in, twist like that. And as we do this, it's gonna pop the back of this shell up. So put it in and then twist. As you can see, it popped the back up just a little bit. And then once the back's started, you can use your hands to pull it the rest of the way off like that. And now we can see our battery right here. So go ahead and pull the old battery out. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up like that. Make sure it's all the way pushed in that clip. And then we'll snap the back on. Put our emergency key back in. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.